Black Phoenix checking in with you, man. Right now I'm at the gas station, filling up the truck and the welder. Gonna get ready to go do a service call that I had scheduled for today. Check this shit out. I want to talk to you about something. So I had agreed to be a foreman for a company. I ain't gonna say the name of the company, but the company wasn't located in Phoenix, but they worked in Phoenix. So I had agreed to work for this company as a foreman. Now, I agreed to work with this company as a foreman for $30 an hour. That's damn good money now. You know what I mean? Especially around here. So I was going to do it, but every time I reach out to the owner who I've been communicating with, sometimes I respond. It might take him 2-3 days to hit me back. So I'm like, man, what's going on? I don't really know. So I did the little paperwork so I can start this morning, actually. But this was like Thursday when I did everything. And Friday I said everything is good. I hear from nobody all over the weekend. So I go to bed. Most people know me. I get up early and grind. So I'm normally in the bed by 8 easy. 8 o'clock, I'm knocked out. 8:30 is over with. So this guy texts me about 9 something, saying, oh, here go the address. Sorry I didn't text you early. Now this guy know all through the weekend I've been waiting on this guy to respond to me to let me know, you know what I'm saying, what move I need to make. So his ass didn't say nothing. So, you know, what would I think? Damn, something must came up. They must don't, you know, they must ain't starting today. So I'm gonna make other plans so I can keep getting money. You see what I'm saying? Man, I get this text this morning. I text dude back. I said, hey, man, I'm just not getting this. You should have let me know something, man. I was waiting on you. I done made plans now. I can't start today. He gonna text me back. I know you. I had to figure that way. I was expecting that wasn't gonna happen. I was expecting that was gonna happen. You was expecting me not to come and get $30 an hour. Bullshit. Because I know your ass ain't making no $30 an hour and he's the foreman on the fucking job. So that's bullshit. So they gonna pay me what I asked for. You gonna do some hate shit like, oh, I'm just gonna wait till the last fucking minute to send me the information, but I ain't gonna kiss nobody's ass for no bag, bro. And you know what I did? I text the owner and said, hey, I'm good, man. I don't like to kiss nobody's ass for no fucking money, and I can already tell these dudes out here is fucking pricks because they don't like to see me grind, or somebody just told them, oh, this dude independent, he's woo-woo. So they gonna wait till the last minute to give me what I need so I can come out there and help out. Nah, I keep doing what I'm doing independently, making more than that an hour, and I ain't got to kiss nobody motherfucking ass. You feel what I'm saying? Hog on.